Hello friends, we have explained the chapter. Now let's move to the grammar. Choose the correct forms of the verbs to complete these sentences. The first is given. The town has changed its appearance completely since 1960. So change is changing or has changed. The town has changed. So the one example has been given. Now let's move to the next. Humans have never managed to abolish wars up to now, but maybe they will find a way in the future. So here have never managed, or will never manage. So we can use here present perfect tense. So humans have never managed. Now the third one. When we went to the cinema, the film had already started. So this is a past perfect. First one is simple past, and past perfect is used with simple past. So it is had and V3, that is past perfect tense. Means before we reach there, the film had already started. So the answer will be had already started. Now the train will have left before we reach the station. Here also future perfect. So we हम पहुंचेंगे उससे पहले तो बस चली गई होगी. So it is future perfect. So there will be will have left. Fifth one, when I get home, I always see my cat sitting at the window waiting for me. Sitting, not sits. Sitting at the window has been sitting or not, but that is sitting at the window waiting for me. Beti hui, that is beti hui, sitting at the window. This comic strip appears in the paper twice weekly. So this is it happens every day or weekly. So this is a present simple present tense. That's why we will use the verb form of number one, and according to third person singular we have add there s. We can add s, es or ies, but here r is there, that's why we have add there s. Seventh one, I haven't seen Kishore this week. I think he is out of town. I have not seen means present perfect. So I think he is out of town. I have not seen him for 7 days. 8. I have done a lot of work today. I am doing, or I have done, or I had done. So I have done a lot of work today. Present perfect tense. 7th, let's meet at 6. I will have finished the exercise by then. मतलब फ्यूचर बताते हैं, और फ्यूचर से पहले हम मैंने ये काम कर लिया होगा वो बताने के लिए हम परफेक्ट फ्यूचर का यूज़ करते हैं. हम 10 बजे मिलेंगे, 9 बजे तक मैंने मेरा काम ख़त्म कर लिया होगा. दैट इज लेट्स मीट एट 6. आई विल हैव फिनिश द सर्विस एक्सरसाइज बाय 10. सो देर विल बी will have finished. All perfect tense have the same V3, but future have shall, will have, perfect and present have has according to the persons, and past have had with all the persons. So the common is V3 in all perfect tenses. Tomorrow is Sunday. Tomorrow future suggests, but we can use there is. That is. Now let's move to the next exercises. The B exercise we are going to do. Write complete sentence according to the instructions in the brackets. He wait half hour. The past continuous tense. We will have to. So what can be the past continuous tense? Subject, was, were and ing. Subject, was, were and ing. So the The answer will be he was waiting for half an hour. His subject was and VING, weak fourth form of V verb, that was subject, was, were and ing. Kitten shivered in the cold. This is simple past tense. Kitten subject, shivered, V2 and extra word. So if you find anywhere V1, then simple present. If V2, then simple past. These are the most difficult tenses. At the time of converting into interrogative and active passive in reported speech, everywhere this is difficult. That's why always I discuss more about simple present. Otherwise, rest of the very easy. The gardener, that's the spelling mistake I have committed there. The gardener has cut the trees. So we have used here present perfect tense. Subject, have, has, and V3. So subject is gardener, and has is there according to the tense and person. Because garden is the third person, gardener, and according to the rule we use has with third person singular and noun. So gardener is noun, third person singular, and has cut the trees. So subject, have, has, V3, and object extramples. Then fourth one, use present perfect continuous. Have, has been ing. Have, has been ing. So Sunita has, because third person singular Sunita. Sunita has been taking violin classes since she was 7 years old. She was 7 years old. It's okay, it is cut here, that's why. And last one is there. Use present continue, MSR and ing. I am washing my clothes. So this all is from grammar. Very easy, all the tenses are, but the most difficult are simple present and simple past. So this was all from grammar. Now let's move to the question answers of the chapter. Now let's see the question and its answer. It will be explained in Hindi and Gujarati, Hindi and English, sorry. Where was narrator driving to when he came across a small traffic jam? तो जो मेहता जी है वो कहाँ जा रहे थे जब वो ट्रैफिक जाम में फंसे या मिले? कब, कहाँ जा रहे थे वो? द नरेटर वॉज ऑन हिज वे टू अमृतसर. जो नरेटर है वो अमृतसर जा रहे थे टू मीट हिज पेरेंट्स. जो शायद वो दूर रहते होंगे तो वो अपने पेरेंट्स को मिलने जा रहे थे. सो वेयर वॉज द नरेटर ड्राइविंग टू व्हेन ही कम अक्रॉस अ स्मॉल ट्रैफिक जाम. स्मॉल ट्रैफिक जाम था, वो उसको कहाँ, कैसे, क्यों, कब आया, वो कहाँ जा रहे थे तब उसको ही कम अक्रॉस अ स्मॉल ट्रैफिक जाम. द नरेटर वॉज ऑन हिज वे टू अमृतसर. वो अमृतसर जा रहे थे टू मीट हिज पेरेंट्स when he came across the traffic jam. So very easy answer, and chapter is also very easy. And second one, what had happened to Jolly Junjunwala? Name is coming, name Jolly Junjunwala. So what happened? We know, we all know that. Huh? The answer is his bus had taken off. वो नाश्ता करने गए थे तब उसकी बस चली गई भाई. His bus had taken off without him, his wife and his sister-in-law when they had stopped for breakfast. वो ब्रेकफास्ट करने गए तब झुनझुनवाला सर की बस निकल गई. और झुनझुनवाला सर है जो वहाँ पे बस खड़ी थी, उस बस में जाके बैठने की तैयारी कर रहे थे. जब अंदर जाके देखा तो एक अंकल बैठे थे टोपी पहने हुए. लगेज देखा सेल्फ तो वो भी अलग था. बाद में रियलाइज़ हुआ कि भाई ये हमारी बस नहीं है, क्योंकि देखो हम देखते हैं जब बस स्टॉप होता है वहाँ पे, बस स्टैंड होता है वहाँ पे, कि जो बस आती है और दूसरी जो बस चली जाती है बाद में दूसरी बस वहाँ पे आके खड़ी रह जाती है। तो यहाँ पर भी यही हुआ था। सो व्हाट हैपन टू जॉली झुनझुनवाला? हिज बस हैड टेकन ऑफ विदाउट हिम व्हेन दे हैड स्टॉप्ड फॉर ब्रेकफास्ट। थर्ड वन, हाउ डिड दे डिस्कवर द रजिस्ट्रेशन नंबर? रजिस्ट्रेशन नंबर झुनझुनवाला सर को तो पता ही नहीं था। अच्छा हुआ साली साथ में थी, सिस्टर इन लॉ। हाउ डिड दे डिस्कवर द रजिस्ट्रेशन नंबर of the bus? Jolie's sister-in-law had the booking slip in her handbag. उसका जो हैंडबैग था उसमें बुकिंग स्लिप मतलब टिकट थी, उसके अंदर रजिस्टर नंबर था। वरना जोलीज वर नॉट इन अ मूड ऑफ, because I think it creates the comic character, careless character. How did they discover the registration number of the bus? Jolie's sister-in-law had the booking slip ticket in his bag and it taken out from it and then it became easy to catch the bus. Question number 4. Why were Jolie's wife and sister-in-law holding on to each other, face white with fear? तो बेटा जो वो बैठे थे फोर व्हील में, तो जो झुनझुन वाला है उसकी वाइफ और उसकी बहन ने एक दूसरे को पकड़ा क्यों था? Why were the Jolie's wife and sister-in-law holding on to each other, face with white with fear? डर के मारे, क्योंकि इतनी स्पीड थी ज़्यादा कि वो दोनों डर रही थी। They were afraid as Mehta was driving very fast. They were afraid as Mehta sir was driving very fast and waving in and out of the traffic. So really it was waving, it was so driving over, he reached 120, so it is real little bit frightening. So it happens with many people. I also fear of that. So क्या हुआ तो क्यों वो ऐसे मतलब एक दूसरे को पकड़े हुए थे, डरे हुए थे? Why were Jolie's wife and sister-in-law holding on each other, face white with fear? They were frightened as Mehta was driving very fast and weaving in and out of traffic. Question number 5. What did the bus driver do when the car pulled up alongside? What did the bus driver do when the car pulled up along the bus side? The bus driver laughed. जब वो बस के नज़दीक पहुंचे तब बस ड्राइवर ने क्या कहा, क्या किया? The bus driver laughed and said, बस ड्राइवर हंसने लगा और बोला, This bus will only stop in Ambala. भाई ये बस है, अम्बाला रुकेगी. Catch me if you can. अगर पकड़ सको तो पकड़ो. So what did the bus driver do when the car pulled up alongside the bus? The bus driver laughed and said he was in order to joke, but it was serious matter that Junjunwala was not good in mood as bus has left alone at the bus station without taking. This bus will only stop in Ambala. Catch me if you can. So this was the answer of and sixth answer of the question. What finally stopped the Jolie from beating up the bus driver? जब बस को पकड़ लिया बाद में जोली किसी से पकड़ा नहीं जा रहा था, क्योंकि जोली कितना परेशान हो उसको पता है। रेस्टोरेंट से आया, तुरंत ही अंदर देखा बस दूसरी, पता चला बस चली गई। बाद में सबको ढूंढा, तब मेहता जी मिल गए। अच्छा वो अच्छे इंसान थे, वरना क्या करते। बाद में मेहता जी से बोला चलो हमें वहाँ पे जाना है, और जब नज़दीक पहुँचे तब भी ड्राइवर बोल रहा है कैच मी इफ़ यू कैन, और ये अम्बाला खड़ी रहेगी। जब पकड़ा गया ड्राइवर तब उसको खींच के, जो हम कहते हैं ना सैक ऑफ पोटैटो, उसकी तरह नीचे उतारा और मारने लगा। तब कोई अच्छे इंसान थे, उसने बोला कि भाई इसको मारेगा तो हमें वहाँ पे पहुँचाएगा कहाँ, कौन, जहाँ हमें जाना है। What finally stopped Jolly from beating up the bus driver? वो तो मारता ही रहा था, आज तो तुझे छोड़ूंगा नहीं। The passenger asked him who would drive the bus if he ended up hurting the driver. तो this is the answer. Okay. So कोई जो पंजाबी थे वो बोलते पुत्र, ऐसे कह के वो उससे समझाते हैं। द अदर पैसेंजर आस्क हिम who would drive the bus if he ended up hurting the driver. भाई तू उसको इतना इंजर्ड कर देगा तो ये बस कौन चलाएगा बाद में। तो यहाँ पे भी एक कॉमेडी है, सही बात है कि चलो ये हम नहीं कर सकते हैं, इसे अब मारना बंद करना चाहिए। और क्वेश्चन नंबर लास्ट, डिड द ग्रेट बस चेस एंड वेल? डिड द ग्रेट बस चेस एंड वेल? The answer is yes, it did. Yes, it did. Jolly and his family were able to board the correct bus. क्योंकि पहले इनकरेक्ट बस में बैठ गए थे भाई महात्मा जी, और बाद में लास्ट में उसको जो करेक्ट बस है वो मिली, उसमें वो बैठ गए एंड कंटिन्यू ऑन दैट जर्नी। सो हैप्पी एंड वाज देयर। डिड द ग्रेट बस चेस एंड well? Yes, it did. Jolly and his family were able to board the correct bus and continue on his journey. So this is the story, very easy story, easy chapter, as there is nothing but one experience of Mehta, who was once going to meet his parents. At that time, he found a person in trouble, and that was Jolly Jhunjhunwala. And what happened to him? Do you know? It happened that the bus driver had left off him, and when Jhunjhunwala come from the restaurant, he found that bus was there on the place, but he didn't know that the bus was boarding in it. It was left, and in the vacant place, the other bus came, and he entered in it, found that it was not that bus. Then he tried to solve the problem, and he met the person, a generous person, Mehtaji, and asked him to chase the bus. But story doesn't end here. Here also, once again, Jolly Jhunjhunwala goes towards the restaurant, and he comes along with two ladies, wife and sister-in-law. They also don't know that what happened with the bus. At that time, Jhunjhunwala sir was really confused, but Mehtaji comes and asks him to not to worry, and then they starts to drive the car, and he drives so fast that at the end they catch the driver, they catch the bus, and they got their bus. And this is the happy ending, and happy ending with the great comic characters Jhunjhunwala and driver. So this was all from the chapter number 8. Thank you very much.